Cinema 4D versus Blender. Which one's better? Let's find out. Cinema 4D, developed by Maxon, is a professional 3D modeling animation and rendering software known for its user-friendly interface and stability. It's widely used in motion graphics, visual effects, and broadcast design. Its standout features include powerful procedural modeling, MoGraph tools, Redshift integration for high-end rendering, and seamless compatibility with Adobe After Effects. Cinema 4D is ideal for professionals and studios who value reliability and industry-standard performance. However, it comes with a subscription-based pricing model that can be costly for individuals, and its advanced features may require a learning curve for beginners. On the other hand, Blender is a free open-source 3D suite used for modeling, animation, sculpting, and video editing. It is popular among indie creators, freelancers, and small studios for its flexibility and no-cost access. Blender includes the Cycles and Eevee render engines, advanced sculpting tools, and a built-in compositor. Its community-driven development ensures frequent updates and plugins. And while Blender is powerful, its interface can feel overwhelming to newcomers, and performance may vary depending on hardware and project size. In comparison, Cinema 4D offers more polished stability and motion graphic tools, while Blender delivers unmatched value and versatility for all-around 3D creation. Ultimately, if budget and open-source flexibility matter most, Blender shines. If you need a robust, production-proven workflow and professional support, Cinema 4D is a great fit. Thanks for watching.